Now we will show you the second mode, which is semi-automatic mode. The specialty in this mode is that you can stop the fabric at the middle, and if you want to adjust the settings, you can do the settings. This is semi-automatic mode. Now this is the manual mode. In this mode you have to press this button for the cutting, because this is the manual mode, so every time you will stop you have to press this button. But in semi-automatic and in automatic mode you don't need to press this button. Nice.